Richard was crazy.
Perfect. Perfect for you, Rodan. Alright, you started yet?
Yep.
This is the way we give the bird a bath. The filthy boy to bird. Here. Put him out here. And...
Rodan!
This is for bad birds.
Well, you're going to get bird abuse. PETA's going to call you.
For PETA. All right. Beautiful. Get that cloaca. It's very important.
Oh, bless you.
All right, now, the most dangerous part of the whole operation is the towel, because he hates the towel. He really hates the towel. All right, I gotta... Come on. Come on. Come on.
Good
I'll
boy.
hold his feet. Whoa, okay, I'm sorry. It's just a towel. The bird is clean. The bird is clean. And he's
Aww.
still very angry at the towel.
Baby bird and his daddy.
Okay.